Okay, this is the Extreme Maximum 3D PC. I apologise if you can't see clearly on the monitors when you watch this video, because everything is in 3D. The capture of this video is taken by a LG 3D optimized mobile phone, but this is the Extreme Maximum gaming computer. The PC Tower Case is a PcCool 3000 S model. The CD-ROMs, which is an LG Blu-ray 3D read writers. I've got two models there, so I've got 2 times. It is also a 2 fans LEDs with a side window. And just come down and have a look at the side windows. The motherboard is a new series, which is the Gigabyte Z77 series, which is a water cooler. The video card or graphics card or gaming card, whatever you want to call it, it is a Gigabyte GV-N66 series. That is also a water cooler. The video card and the motherboard are both in 3D models, mainly designed for 3D gaming and etc. We've got 4 memory cards in it. At the moment I'm only running half capacity to what it should be running, which is 4x4, which is 16 gigabytes of memory. The hertz I'm not 100% sure off the top of my head, but I think that's at 27 hertz each memory card. The processor chip, it is an Intel Core 7, which is off the top of my head, I think it's a 3770i 3D processor chip. Also, everything else is all of that is an Core 7. To make things a lot more clearer, I'll turn the neon light on in a minute so you can see properly. In case if you're wondering about this red light down the bottom here, well, that is your settings for the BIOS, which at the moment is set in advance, so I can change all the settings and make it go faster. Just underneath it or above it there should be another red light. That's your default in case you have problems, but I'm not having any problems, so everything's all perfectly clear. Let's go up the top here. As you can see, a light there and a number as well and an alphabet. That is the conditions of the settings of the motherboard, and if you have a look in the menu book, it'll tell you what those codes are to what it's actually running. But at the moment it's running perfectly fine, which is pretty damn good. Just change over, and if I can get my hand out the back of this computer, I can turn the neon light on and you can actually see pretty clearly. And there we are. Now if you have a look at this motherboard, it has extra power cords to supply more power for the gaming card or graphics card. Now if I can see properly, if I can go in closer, where you got your 24 pin power supply, just underneath it you got a SATA power plug extra for more power supply to the graphics card or video card. And let's zoom out. As you can see, there's more power cords here plugging in to supply more power. As you can see, pretty clearly, to boost up the more power to it, which I've actually boosted a lot of power into this, so I'm not actually overheating or anything. Just turn the light off because everything is in 3D, so when you're playing 3D gaming it becomes pretty full on. As you can see pretty clearly, got the 3D glasses here. It's in charging mode at the moment. I've actually got the cord plugged into it. Down the bottom here, that's where you got your plug settings. Just here, I'm actually using the bottom ones at the moment. That one there and that one there. These two at the bottom is your USB plugs or adapters or whatever you want to call them. At the moment those two are only at 2.0 Hz. Just up above here there's a white one that is at 3.0 Hz, and then you got all your memory card slots or whatever you want to say that. And then we come up to the top here, we've got the two monitors. Well, at the moment I'm just using the one at the moment, and the other one I've actually turned it off at the moment because that's actually in 3D. I don't know if that'll look good in a 3D and then being recorded extra with the 3D, so I've turned it off at the moment. But I'll give you an example. I'll put that on, etc. Yeah. See, I didn't even turn the light on properly. Put the neon. There we go. I've got a green neon sound active light with the blue LED lights. So does that look cool or what? I love this song. Well, as you can see, if I turn this other monitor off and then back on, it might come on. Well, actually that's my screensaver. Now does that look cool or what? As you can see, what is it? There's one speaker here, another one there. Move over, I've got another one there. Printer, another printer. There's another speaker here, another one there, and then I've got the subwoofer down behind the desk here. What else? Oh, the top of this off and this will blow out. Where you got your 6-channel RC for helicopters and planes, and then I'll plug that in. Plug a cord into the back of this, plug it into the computer, and then I can actually use it on the gaming side. That looks pretty damn cool. In the game wise, playing gaming, you got to be careful of that. Sometimes because the 3D will hurt your eyes after a while when you're playing. For an example, for a helicopter like this, when it comes in the 3D, it can be hard to control it. Something like that on the games. But that'll do for now, and I'll put all the details down below. of what this computer actually is and what it can do. For an example, got the modem Wi-Fi there, and then on the back down here you'll see another two antennas. That's for the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. I mean, you might not be able to see it, but there's more leads down there behind the microphone and webcam. That is for the radio and TV remote. Mother cards and extra cards I've got in the back of the PC. That'll do, and I shall leave you to it.